Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a chilly Sleep OOLER bed cooling system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this system is not pairing with your app, or if it's not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not listening, it's not working in terms of with the app, or if it's not cooling properly, it's not giving you the correct temperature, any kind of stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again and repair it with your phone or tablet or whatever, and that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever random reason, or if you're getting a new phone, you just want to set it up like it's just coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and restore the factory defaults like it's coming out of the box. It's real simple to do. All you need to do is make sure that the system is turned on. And with the system turned on, you just need to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, all of the pairing history will be wiped, it will be disconnected, and it will restore to its default value of 68 degrees. And you can go ahead and set it up new.